Hello, Elle here with a new video showcasing my very small camellia collection and the camellias I hope to add to my modest collection as I go along. Details of each camellia can be found in the description and will be updated throughout the growing season. So, if you'd like to learn more about growing and caring for camellias, make sure you subscribe to EVERBEE Garden. And now, my Camellia wish list. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know which camellia is your favourite, and don't forget to subscribe for more on camellias and all things gardening. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gardening. Take care. Bye for now.